Well, hey, my people, I wanted to just show you the first step of our drawing today. What's going to happen, and what I would recommend y'all do if you do have your sketchbooks, I would recommend that you very, very carefully tear out a piece of paper from your sketchbook. What I would recommend also, the way that you tear it, you're going to have little rings, I'm assuming, in your sketchbook. So as you're tearing, I would just hold those rings so they don't rip out as you're taking the paper out. And there's a perforated edge right here. I would like kind of hold on that so that you can kind of carefully tear that out as you go. I just don't want your sketchbook to be damaged as you work. So anyway, this is going to be a line drawing, and it's going to be based on positive and negative space. So these are going to be two mini drawings that you're going to end up composing for this project. And what you will do is you are going to measure out two different little mini spaces, and my mini spaces are going to be, this is 5.5 right here, and this is 3.5 inches. Now this first little section I have gridded for you just for you guys to see. So what's going to happen with these two little sections that you guys are going to be working on, y'all are going to end up gridding this into 1x1 grids. Now you're going to have a little 1/2 inch left over on the edge, that sort of thing, but you're going to have something like that. As you're drawing your grids on this thing, you don't have to draw them really dark or anything. I've got them dark for you to see, but you can draw them relatively light. So what I'm going to do, just keep in mind this one is done. I'm going to do this one with you so that you can see how to do it. So one thing I would tell you, if you don't have the right size paper, or if you'd rather make yours a little bit bigger than mine, it's okay. I just wouldn't make it smaller than those dimensions. So the dimensions again are 5.5 by 3.5. So anything, similar to that, I think would work just fine. So anyway, so what y'all will do with the edge of your measurement, first of all, let me just show you this. So this is just a review for you guys. So how you would create a straight line. And y'all know that, and I've got it at 3.5 right here. To make a straight line, you're going to make 2 points, right? To create your line. And then you're going to end up connecting those 2 points to make your straight line. So just make sure that your paper and your ruler are lined up correctly and all that kind of thing when you start. So anyway, we'll get started with this. So I've got at my 3.5 right here, and I'm going to make a mark at my 1 inch mark, my 2 inch mark, and then at my 3 inch mark. And then I'm gonna do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to end up connecting my two little marks with a straight line. And then what you'll do, and I just turn it, so you'll end up doing the same thing. So I'm gonna make my mark at the very top of my page. So my 1 inch little mark. So at every little tick mark, every little inch, you'll make a little mark right there. And then somewhere towards the bottom of your section, you'll make your marks, and then you'll end up connecting your lines. in the next video, I'll tell you why you're doing these grids. There's a reason. I think it's gonna help you out a whole lot. It has helped me a lot in the past. All right. So when you're finished with this, you should end up with 2 gridded sections right there. So we'll look forward to the next video, and thank you so much.